Here is a guide to successfully install a VPN Stridelinx router. Locate a spot within your control panel to mount the router onto the DEN rail. Attach the upper clamp to the upper side of the DEN rail, then gently push the lower part into the DEN rail to lock it into place. Locate the plugs situated on the upper side of the router. Attach a designated number 3 wire from the control panel's available number 3 terminals to the positive terminal on the router. Likewise, establish a connection between the negative terminal on the router and the number 4 terminal in the control panel. Complete the wiring process by connecting the ground wire from the control panel's ground terminal to the ground location on the router. Your internet coming into the panel from your ISP router will land in the internet port of the router. All other Cat6 cables can land into the other open ports. If you have a network switch inside the control panel, you will need a short patch Cat6 cable to jumper between the router and the switch. This is how you successfully install a VPN Stridelinx router. Thank you for watching.